evening. XRP Future Millionaire, and as you can see, I'm on my phone at 7:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. We have a very snowy... Here, let me get you guys a picture out the front door, even on my phone, because I know you guys love the snow, so you guys can see the difference from earlier. And then we got to get to a quick update because I am cooking. So that's what we're looking at right now. So you can see a big difference from earlier. Earlier we had less snow, still coming down just as hard. I've shoveled twice already, but we had that rain in the beginning. But for anybody who loves the snow, this is for you. So there you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. So, all right. So like I said, I'm cooking. I've got some, so what I did was I cut up some potatoes. Yeah, I can't even shut my door. There's some snow that got caught. So what I did was I cut up some potatoes and I put some butter in a pan and I let it melt a little bit, and I'm cooking the potatoes in there. I make the best fucking potatoes. Instead of using oil, I use butter, and then when they get nice and roasted up, as you could say, I put them on top of like some paper towels to drain that butter out. And then I'm making some eggs, scrambled eggs, and that's what I make sometimes when it's just like a pinch. Potatoes and eggs, but you gotta make them good. Potatoes are all that matter. It's gotta be good. So anyhow, we had a brutal close. Bitcoin closed under 37,000 at about 36,000. What was it at? Like 895 or whatever, 896. We'll just say 36,900. XRP was below that 604. So that is a precursor that we could drop now. In the 1 minute, it looks like we could build something up to like 604 or maybe 61140, which I was expecting a back test to there, but we never got it. We just kind of fell right through. But this looks like a prototypical continuation pattern. We could retest 61140, but it's not, I mean, when you close under that 604, 6.5 support right there and use it as resistance on a daily close, that is brutal. So I would expect us to come test 58.8 and then further. So I think 52 cents is what's in jeopardy. Come back down to the symmetrical triangle. That 48 to 52 range I think is high potential. And obviously we know if we take a real drop and take this as a measured move, we could either hit 48, but we also have the possibility of hitting that 42.39 down there. There's a 44.79 on a different kind of drop. But on a continuation pattern down, we're looking at like 44 cents, 42 cent area. I just think 48 to 52 is where we're going to have a whole bunch of buyers that are going to be stacked, and it won't be a traditional drop. But don't kid yourself. I think that 48 to 52 is right around the corner, because I think we're on a bearish continuation pattern. You can see the bear flag, and it's just the way it goes. So, like I said, we've got the immediate support at 586, the immediate resistance at 604. And then with Bitcoin, like I said, we close under 37,000. And we've got 36,896 as resistance right now. Support, we're going to take this away, even though... So we've got 36,226 underneath, but right now we're bouncing between this range on a continuation, it looks like, to the downside. 36,583, 36,896 is the range right now. It's that simple. And then I wanted to do one thing real quick. I had somebody ask me about CLV, so I wanted to update real quick on that. I mean, one could say that you could have almost said we were bullish if the market would have cooperated, because it looks like we're on a bottom here, a triple bottom, more than a triple bottom. But look at that in the 30-minute. If this doesn't break below this and the market cooperates, this would be an actual interesting trade. But if the market does break, you're immediately looking to come back down here and hit the 31 cents. So that's what I'd be worried about. And then if you can somehow break up, your immediate resistance is going to be right here at 33.1. So that's your tight range right now. You can look at the whole board, but really that's all you need to look at. 31 cent support. If we break through, we got 32 cent support right now, 33.1 overhead. So that's all you need to know. 32 cents, it's right on its support. And then somebody asked me about ALGO. And we've got 8143 on the support. That's down below. We've got $1 on resistance, which we fell through. We're below the 30 or the 4-hour right here in the shorter moving averages. That's the 20-day. So if we can't even get over the 20-day moving average, that's very bearish. So that's what I'm seeing. This looks like a continuation of downside. I'm seeing 70 cents in the near future. Worst case scenario, 56 cents. But 70 cents seems to be the next drop point. And then I know somebody also asked about V-Chain, then I got to go. V-Chain still within this tight range that we've been in. 5163 roughly is the support. 5604 resistance. If we break through 5163, obviously we will have to contend with this area real quick. 4477, but I think it's going to be a drop down. A break from here, and it goes down instead of up. I think we're looking at 3944. Stay blessed, everybody. Hit that like button.